Hello, welcome to Caravan Salon. Here I'm going to show you this Westfalia Columbus campervan. This is the 600E model. Something like this is going to cost you 90,000 euros nearly. And so it's a 6-meter campervan, 100 litres of fresh water, 100 litres of wastewater. It takes has a 95 ampere hour battery, and it takes the 6 kilo gas canister. It's got diesel heating, and let's come inside. So it's like a basic camper van, so to speak, but it looks much better than some of these other basic camper vans. Having said that, it does cost a good 20,000 euros more than the others. But the features inside, the luxury which it offers, there's a roof light, we've got a kitchen block, 2 burners, a sink, nothing unusual about that. But what is the quality of the fittings in here. Where it really stands out is in here. This is the washroom, and the way the washroom looks, very, very elegant and lovely lighting inside. At the back we've got this bed. I don't know if it's lengthwise or widthwise. You can sleep in it, but it is more or less what I call the German layout. So it's 2 singles which have become a double, could be said to be that. This, of course, the central bit will come out, and that'll give you more storage. All around we've got these storage areas, and let's just open it up to show you how deep it is inside. Down here, there you go, pull out cupboards, not cupboard, drawers, whatever, drawers, that's it, pull out storage, pull out pantry. Even got a step up into bed, even though it's not that high up it. Let's come to the back as well and have a look at this. So single beds under 6 meters in length, huge amount of storage under it. Those partitions there will come out, and as you can see, this central bit here can also be removed should it be required. This is a vehicle for people who are a bit taller. Bear in mind though, it is a standard height of a Fiat Ducato campervan, so there's not a huge amount of standing height inside. I mean, I can walk in it no problem at all, but I'm 1.75 m, absolutely average, and so those who are particularly tall might have more problems. Yeah, I'll come around to the front, and you can see it from here. There you go, Westfalia Columbus campervan, very nicely finished vehicle. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, you might want to subscribe. I upload every day 21:15. I sometimes upload at other times as well. So if you're interested in this type of thing, then you may want to see more. All the best from me.